Hey guys, I'm back with the latest news. Xiaomi has confirmed that it will be hosting an event called Xiaomi Mega Launch this Monday. It's expected that the Mi 11 Pro and the Mi 11 Ultra will be announced at this event along with some other products. Perhaps Xiaomi foldable phone, which might use the Mi Mix branding. The Mi 11 Ultra and Mi 11 Pro have heavily leaked over the past few weeks, so we have a fair idea of what to expect from these upcoming devices. The Mi 11 Ultra will be the most premium of the duo, as revealed in a leaked hands-on video. It will offer an exotic design featuring a quad-curved display and a large horizontally oriented camera island that also includes a tiny secondary OLED screen for selfies. It's rumored to pack a 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC, up to 16GB of LPDDR5 Plus RAM, and up to 512GB UFS 3.1 storage. The Mi 11 Ultra also expected to pack an IP68 water and dust resistant design for the first time in Xiaomi's flagship range, and a trio of high-resolution rear cameras consisting of 50MP main camera, 48MP ultra-wide, and a 48MP periscope with 120x digital zoom. Other notable specs include a 5000 mAh battery with 67W wired and 67W wireless charging. Now, Xiaomi has confirmed rumors that the Mi 11 Ultra will feature Samsung's new ISOCELL GN2 camera sensor. The ISOCELL GN2 is currently the largest smartphone camera sensor. Fittingly, Redmi General Manager Liu Weibing has drawn a comparison between the size of the ISOCELL GN2 and the Sony IMX689 found in the OnePlus 9. The GN2 is a 50MP sensor with 1.4 micrometer large pixels and 4:1 pixel binding. It also boasts Dual Pixel Pro autofocus system, which promises faster and more accurate focus locking. The sensor is also capable of recording 4K videos at 120 frames per second. As for the price, Xiaomi previously asked users whether they would buy a $1,500 phone from the company, suggesting that the Mi 11 Ultra won't be cheap unless Xiaomi was talking about a foldable. Now, on the other hand, the Mi 11 Pro is expected to feature a similar design language as the regular Mi 11 for the most part, but will support a different camera island on the back. In terms of specification, it rumors to pack the same quad-curved 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus 120Hz refresh rate display as the Mi 11 Ultra, along with the Snapdragon 888 SoC. However, unlike the Mi 11 Ultra model, it's expected to come equipped with a quad camera setup consisting of a 50MP primary sensor, a 30MP ultra-wide angle camera, a 5MP macro lens, and a telephoto sensor with an up to 120x zoom. With the official launch taking place very next week, we won't have to wait too long to find out what Xiaomi's 2021 flagship lineup has in store for us. Now, would you spend $1,500 on the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. As always, see you guys in the next one. Peace.
What does love feel like?